السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome dear students second prep. What is similar shapes? In the opposite figure, we have A, B, C, D and X, Y, Z, L are two polygons. If measure of angle A equal measure of angle X and the measure of angle B equal measure of angle Y, measure of angle C equal measure of angle Z and the measure of angle D equal measure of angle L, then each angle in the first polygon is equal to the corresponding angle in the second polygon. The measure of angles are equal. And also if AB, length of AB over XY equal length of BC over YZ equal CD over ZL equal DA over LX equal constant numbers, then the sides of or the length of the corresponding sides are proportional, have the same ratio. Then the polygon ABCD is similar, is the sign of similar to polygon XYZL. Then the similarity of two polygons, it is said that the two polygons, polygon 1 and polygon 2, of the same numbers of sides are similar if the following two conditions are verified together. First, their corresponding angles are equal in measure, and second, the corresponding sides are proportional. Remark number 1, if this constant ratio is greater than 1, then the polygon 1 is enlargement of the polygon 2, and if the constant ratio is less than 1, then polygon 1 is minimization or minimizing of the polygon 2. If this ratio equal 1, then polygon 1 and the polygon 2 are congruent, and the meaning of congruent is that each side and each angle of the first polygon is equal to each side and each angle in the second polygon, or the corresponding sides or angles. Remark number 2, in the order that the two polygons are similar, the two conditions should be verified together, and verifying one of them only is not enough to be similar. We have here square and rectangle, and of course all angles of square and all angles of rectangles are equal 90 degrees. But the square is not similar to rectangle because they are different sides. Then the square and rectangle are not similar. Remark 3, the congruent polygons are similar, but it's not necessary that the similar polygons are congruent. We have here these two polygons are congruent, have the same size, then they are similar. But these two polygons are similar, but they are not congruent. Remark 4, all regular polygons of the same numbers of sides are similar. For example, all squares are similar, or equilateral triangles are similar. Remark 5, if each of two polygons is similar to third, then they are similar. Example number 1, we have in the opposite figure, ABCD is similar to XYZL. Find measure of angle B and the measure of angle D, measure of angle X, measure of angle Z, and the measure of angle L. The length of each of AB and CD and LX. First, since the two polygons ABCD is similar to polygons XYZL, then the corresponding angles are equal in measure. Then measure of angle A will equal measure of angle A, the first will equal measure of angle X, which equal measure of angle equal 70, therefore measure of angle X also equal 70 degrees. And the measure of angle B will equal measure of angle second angle, measure of angle Y. Measure of angle B will equal measure of angle Y, which equal 65 degrees. And measure of angle C will equal measure of angle Z, Measure of angle C equal 135. Therefore, measure of angle Z also equal 135. And we know that the sum of all angles of any quadrilateral equals 360. Therefore, measure of angle D equal measure of angle L equals 360 minus 70 plus 65 plus 135 will equal 90 degree. Then we can find now the length of each of AB, CD, and LX. Since these two polygons are similar, then AB over XY will equal BC over YZ will equal CD over ZL will equal AD or DA over XL. And we put the length of the sides. AB, the length of AB, we don't have the length of AB over XY, which equal 3 centimeter. BC equal 2.1 over YZ 1.4. CD over ZL equal 1.8. DA over LX equals 3 over LX. To find AB, we can make 3 times 2.1 over 1.4. Then AB will be equal 4.5. And also CD will equal 1.8 times 2.1 over 1.4 will equal 2.7. And length of LX will equal 3 times 1.4 over 2.1 will equal 2 centimeter. Remark: the ratio between the perimeters of two similar polygons equals the ratio between the lengths of the two corresponding sides. Example number 2. The side lengths of one of two similar triangles are 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. And the perimeter of the other triangle is 36 cm. Find the side lengths of the other triangle. Let the two triangles be triangle ABC and the triangle XYZ. And since the two triangles are similar, therefore AB over XY will equal BC over YZ will equal AC over XZ. Equal perimeter of ABC over perimeter of XYZ. And AB equals 3 over XY. Second side BC 4 over YZ. Third side AC 5 over XZ. Equal perimeter of ABC. We have the perimeter of ABC 3 plus 4 will equal 7, 7 plus 5 will equal 12. Over perimeter of XYZL, we have the perimeter of this triangle equals 36. Now we can find the length of each of these three sides by cross multiplication. Then XY will equal 3 times 36 over 12 will equal 9. YZ will equal 4 times 36 over 12 will equal 12. XZ will equal 5 multiplying by 36 over 12 will equal 15 centimeters. Similarity of two triangles. The two triangles are similar if one of the following conditions are verified. Only one condition. First, if the measure of their corresponding angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. If the lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. For example, we have two triangles here, triangle ABC and the triangle EFD. Because that measure of angle A equal measure of angle D, and the measure of angle B equal measure of angle E, and the measure of angle C equal measure of angle F, therefore the two triangles are similar. Example number 3. ABC and EFD are two triangles. We have here two triangles. Measure of angle B equal 115, measure of angle F 100, also 115. Measure of angle A equal 22, measure of angle D equal 43. AB 9, BC equal 5, EC 12, ED equal 18. Find the lengths of EF and FD. First, we must prove that these two triangles are similar by finding the measure of the third angle. In triangle ABC, measure of angle C will equal 180 minus 115 plus 22 will equal 43. And in triangle EFD, measure of angle E will equal 180 minus these two angles will equal 22. Since that measure of angle B equal measure of angle F equal 115 and the measure of angle C equal measure of angle D equal 43 and the measure of angle A equal measure of angle E equal 22. Therefore, these two triangles are similar because the corresponding angles are equal in measure. Therefore, AB over EF equal BC over FD equal AC over ED will equal AB. We have the length of EB equal 9 over EF. We don't have the length of EF. BC equal 5 over FD. We 5 over FD will equal AC 12 over ED 18. The simplest form of this fraction will equal 2 over 3, and this is the constant function. Then the length of EF will equal 9 times 18 over 12 or 9 times 3 over 2 will equal 13.5. And the length of FD will equal 5 times 3 over 2 will equal 7.5. Example number 4. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, and the length of EE equals 6 cm, length of AD equals 7 cm, length of BE equal 8 cm. Find length of DC and the ratio between DE over BC. First, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, therefore that AB over AD equal BC over DE equal AC over AE. Therefore, AB, we have the length of AB equal 6 plus 8, which equal 14, over AD will equal 7. BC and DE, we don't have the length of BC or DE. AC, also we don't have the length of AC. AE equal 6 cm. Then we can find length of AC by cross multiplication, 14 times 6 over 7. And simplify of this fraction or this ratio will equal 2 over 1. Then AC will equal 6 times 2 equal 12 over 1, which equal 12. Therefore, DC will equal 12 minus 7 will equal 5 cm. And ratio DE over BC will equal 1 over 2 because BC over DE equal 2 over 1. Example number 5. DE is parallel to BC. AD equal 5 cm. EE equal 8 cm. DB equal 2 cm. Find the length of EC. Then set DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, measure of angle ADE equal measure of angle B because they are corresponding angles. And the measure of angle AED equal measure of angle C, also corresponding angles. And angle A is a common angle between these two triangles, triangle ADE and the triangle ABC. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Then the sides are proportional. AD over AB equal DE over BC equal EE over AC. AD over EB, AD equal 5 over EB equal 7. DE over BC, we don't have the length of DE or BC. EE equal 8 over EC we don't have the length of EC. Then the length of EC equal 8 times 7 over 5 will equal 11.2. Then the length of EC equal 11.2 minus 8 equal 3.2. Thanks for watching and goodbye.